Skoda lifts the veil on the all-new fourth-generation Superb Combi, proving this model remains the brand's flagship when it comes to marrying innovation with versatility. Available in front-wheel or all-wheel drive configurations and 5 trim levels, the latest iteration of Skoda's perennial wagon elevates expectations of what a mid-size family hauler can deliver on the technology, efficiency, and practicality fronts. Subtle dimensions tweaks underpin the 2024 Superb Combi's sleeker profile, with length increased by 12 mm, width upped by 15 mm, and height raised by 8 mm. Within its still unmistakable silhouette, a completely revised front fascia sports Skoda's latest grille execution flanked by narrow matrix LED headlights and chrome accents. Redesigned rear LED light clusters deliver visual width, while aerodynamic enhancements drop the drag coefficient on most models to an impressively low of 0.26. The new underpinnings bring inherent improvements to ride quality and high-speed stability. For the first time on a Skoda model, adaptive dampers feature on certain trims, further elevating cruising comfort when conditions allow or stiffening responses when pressed hard through corners. These continually adaptive shocks promise to filter out imperfections in the road while resisting excessive body roll. The Superb Combi's cavernous cabin builds upon already impressive space, delivering best-in-class rear legroom and headroom alongside segment-topping 97.8 cubic feet of luggage capacity with the 60/40 split-fold seats stowed. From soft-touch fabrics to opulent leather upholsteries, an upscale ambiance pervades, augmented by 30-color customizable ambient lighting. The latest gen infotainment is accessed via a standard 10-inch or available 13-inch touchscreen, while a customizable 10-inch digital gauge cluster keeps vital stats front and center. Kicking off proceedings, a mild hybrid 1.5-liter turbocharged gas engine outputs 148 horsepower through a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. For more eager performance, a 2-liter turbocharged motor is offered in 2 states of tune, 187 horsepower or 276 horsepower when equipped with all-wheel drive. And demonstrating Skoda's eco-minded initiatives, a plug-in hybrid powertrain propels the wagon up to 35 miles on electrons alone, courtesy of a 13 kilowatt-hour battery pack that teams with a 1.4-liter gasoline engine. The latest Superb Combi leaves little to chance when it comes to avoiding collisions, with systems like predictive adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving functions to take the strain out of highway hauls or traffic jams. Lane centering assist and traffic sign recognition likewise lend an automated hand, while an array of cameras enable both 360-degree visuals and a washer nozzle to keep the rear-view camera crystal clear in inclement weather. And should all else fail, Skoda's new airbags provide unprecedented levels of protection. It wouldn't be a Skoda without clever touches to delight owners through years of service, and the Superb Combi incorporates 28 such tricks. An electric tailgate facilitates loading cargo, backseat passengers can control their climate zone, and front occupants even enjoy ventilated and massaging seats on Lauren and Amp Clement models. Additional niceties include coasting mode to save fuel when conditions allow, a rear passenger entertainment tablet, and an integrated funnel in the fuel filler flap for easier top-ups. Moving forward, Skoda's new flagship wagon shares its underpinnings with the latest Passat variant as part of Volkswagen Group's quest to maximize economies of scale. Produced alongside one another in Slovakia, these advanced architectures clearly highlight a deepening collaboration between what were once thought of as rival brands. This industrial alignment also cements Skoda's trajectory as a critical player within Europe when it comes to offering exceptional value paired with upscale features. In every conceivable metric, the comprehensively transformed 2024 Skoda Superb Combi looks to set class benchmarks across the board, promising refinements that range from styling to sustainability and encompass ride quality, refinement, cabin tech, and usability. This new range topper solidifies why Skoda's enduring wagon remains a smart choice for growing families. Blending space, pace, grace, and traces of upmarket Audi ambiance at realistic price points, the Superb Combi merits shortlisting by any intending midsize wagon buyer seeking the ultimate balancing act for their needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.